at work today, and we're cleaning solar panels again. This is our first time ever doing it, and we've got this 25-foot extendable pole with a water line going to it that's spreading out through that brush, and we're spraying it with a cleaner. What's the name of that cleaner, Keith? Chemtech Solar Wash. It's supposed to not damage the solar panels and be anti-static. These things have been a little too long before we cleaned them, and they're pretty dirty. But it's working pretty good. We've got, I don't know, a couple of 100 yards of them to do like this. We've got 4 sections of them, and I'll show you the length. There's the spray man right there. He's rolled the other spray man out. You can see how long that section of panels is. But we spray them down with that cleaner, 3 rows at a time, and then we brush it off. You can't go too far ahead because it dries real quick.
Next!
And there's the call for the next spray run. That's Keith's job. And here comes the spray man right here. He's got it mastered. Spraying it out of this, we've got like a 20-gallon tank, battery operated sprayer. Runs off a 12-volt battery on this Gator. You can see how it foams up. And it takes some pretty good stroking with that brush to get that stuff off. Then you have to rinse that off the best you can. And we're using DI water. It says not use regular city water. So we've had to hook up a special pipe to our DI system. And then we had to hook a pump onto that to get the water out this far. Because when we started, we were running it through about 300 feet of hose. But it's got plenty of pressure. Now the boss has got hold of the brush. That's kind of what it is. And here's another helper we've got over here. He's manning the hose right now. You got to have everybody doing these little jobs, or it's very cumbersome. And that's pretty tiring, running that brush up and down that panel, 25 feet. So we're rolling out every 3 sections. All right, just wanted to give you an example of how we did it. You might have some better ideas, but this is the way we were told to do it. Catch you on the next one. Like and subscribe.
Sammy!